Wag.
Wag.
Wag. Wag.
Wag.
Huwag mong subukan. Masisira ang buhay mo.
Vaping has become increasingly popular in the UK, and even the NHS is encouraging people to make the switch over smoking. But some experts have warned that the branding of these products could be damaging when it comes to the health and well-being of children. And you can see from these products why kids might be enticed. With their brightly coloured packages and nod to popular sweet brands, it's no wonder why parents have been urged to be extra vigilant with their kids. The worrying truth is, if children get hold of these liquids, then it could lead to dire consequences. New research conducted at Broughton Life Sciences found that 25 out of 28 vape products tested were not legally compliant in the UK. More than a fifth of products also contain the banned substance diacetyl, which is known to cause popcorn lung, an obstructive disease of the small airways. Initially, this term wasn't related to vapes. In fact, it came from a group of popcorn factory workers who developed lung disease. But it all comes back to diacetyl. In the UK, diacetyl was banned in e-cigarette liquids in 2016, so e-liquids sold in the UK shouldn't contain it. The research, in collaboration with JTI, also found that nearly 80% of these products tested use volumes of e-liquid higher than the 2 millilitres currently allowed under the current legislation. And more than 10% of the products contained over 20 milligrams of nicotine allowance. Despite this, vaping is still on the rise, and while it might be an alternative to smoking in the short term, better regulations are needed to protect the health and well-being of vulnerable children.
Vaping is known for using flavors to hook new users. It's because fruit flavors taste better than the truth. Vaping literally changes the way a brain develops and primes it for addiction. Don't let history repeat itself. Just like cigarettes, vaping was said to be safe. But now we know that's not entirely true. Emerging data suggests links to chronic lung disease and asthma. Don't let history repeat itself. Learn the facts about vaping.